So I finished my homework and honestly I had nothing else to do. But I decided to bring you guys along. I'm also gonna be stopping by my favorite coffee place, Better Buzz. I love that place. I mean, it's a lot of sugar, but the coffee is amazing. So yeah, I'm just gonna go through a little PCH drive with you guys. Hope you guys enjoy the video. Make sure you guys like and subscribe if you guys aren't already. I don't know how often I'll be posting. I didn't really have like a set plan on like where I'm gonna take this like whole YouTube thing. Leave a comment. I want you guys to be honest with my videos. Like, tell me if I need to work. Like, for those who actually like watch a lot of like POV videos, let me know what I'm doing wrong and what I'm doing right and what I could do better. Anyways, I will shut up now. Well, guys, I will let you guys enjoy the video. Made it to Better Buzz.
Hi, welcome to Better Buzz. Can I get a name for the order?
Martin. All right, we got our coffee for the PCH drive. Hazelnut Divinity. I think this is like the only drink I get from there. Oh, I completely forgot. This is a super, super, super low. Guys, Better Buzz, telling you right now, amaze balls. Ah, all right, yeah. Okay, there we go. We got my coffee. We got the car. Let's go. All right. I need to chill. I'm trying to get through PCH before the sun completely goes down because I do have my ND filter on, and I don't know how that's affecting the light right now. I might just have to edit it later on. I'm hoping I can get through PCH while the sunset's still going. I think it's around like 7:30. I have like an hour, so I'm good. I think I'm gonna make it, but it's always overcast over Laguna Beach and like Newport Beach. I don't know why. I really don't know why. I could not tell you. So I need my coffee. We've made it to Dana Point. Again, I don't know how the ND filters are filtering everything right now because it is kind of dark. I mean, the sunset was still going, so I have no idea how the end. I do need to pee. I will say about these coffees is that they're so damn good, yet it makes me want to pee a lot. Yeah, this is Dana Point, guys. So from here, I'm gonna go straight down to Laguna Beach, then go to Newport Beach, and then I think from there, oh, I just saw McLaren. New ones too. Anyways, from there, I'm gonna turn right from Newport and then just go back to Irvine and then just back home from there. So it's gonna be a good little drive. We're about to pull into a gas station right now. I do need to get gas. I do need a pee. We made it to the gas station, but all the sides that I need are taken up, so I gotta turn around. I'm gonna get out from that side though, so I'll just whip a Yui. There we go. I think I went too far a little bit. Hold on. Adjust. I'll show the car a little bit while I'm putting gas in it. But Supreme 91. I'm only putting 20. So it honestly does not need that much, but anyways, yeah, this is it. Again, nothing special, just a little base model C7 Stingray Corvette. I did detail a little bit, but every time I detail and I go out for a drive, the brake dust. I need to get like a ceramic coating or something, but yeah, this is it. Again, nothing special. That's a little LS3 action. I think it's done. Yeah, honestly, 20 is all I need for this drive. I try not to fill it up all the way just because I know it's gonna stay. This car really spends a lot of time in the garage. I try to drive it as much as I can, but I also don't like putting too many miles on it within the week, so it's more like a weekend car. Let's get back on the road. Cold starts are always better, bro. Yeah, it's definitely getting a little dark, so I'm going to have to adjust the lighting in the video, which sucks because I wish I would have just, the sun was super out when I left, so but I keep forgetting that it's usually overcast here, so it always seems like it's more nighttime here than it is where I live. All right, let's get back on the drive, guys. I gotta when I did buy the car at first, I did scrape like the third time driving on the bottom, and I actually had to get it repainted and fixed, and it cost me like 500 bucks. It sucked, and it was just like the tiniest scratch, but it was deep, so they had to like Bondo it a little bit, and then the paint. What was more expensive was the paint, because this paint is like, I guess, super hard to come around with. I don't know, but yeah, it was the paint that cost the most. Just can't get over how beautiful Laguna Beach is, honestly. I always feel so blessed. Even when I'm down bad, bro, I always feel so blessed that I am where I am right now. I'm not where I want to be, but I'm manifesting that I will be. Oh, GTR! My dream car, bro, come on. I should have stopped. I should have stopped, but we're not car spotting, guys. We're just PCH drive. I wonder if maybe if I take off this, it'll fix things. Oh, I think it did. Okay, I will keep that off. Yeah, I'll keep that off. I'll keep that off. Damn it! I should have taken it off before. It's all right. I'll edit it out. Again, this is like my first like video, so cut me some slack, guys. Come on. Little roar. Little roar. Okay, little burbles. I'm staying in this lane just because I want to go slow so you guys can actually see like the scenery of Laguna Beach. For those who are not from here, if you guys do come to Cali and come to OC, Laguna Beach is the spot, bro. That's what I'm telling you. I get little burbles when I do like the manual. I love it. Oh, you got a little GT3 RS? I think so. Yeah. I think so. No, it's just the GT3. Just GT3. Got little burbles there. Yeah, I love it here, dude. The spot. I want to check out this little R8 over here. That's the thing about Laguna, is that you find really sick cars sometimes. The fuel run, midnight run. You got it in like cement gray. Yeah, this thing's fucking dope, dude. V10. Carbon fiber mirrors. This thing's dope, dude. Fucking really sick. Carbon fiber lip. I would honestly be scared shitless riding with that, dude. That'd be so fucking sketch. So fucking sketch. Anyways, yeah, that's like the cars you find. Yeah. Little taste of Laguna. Back to the drive. I know I'm gonna have a lot of my friends like telling me like, oh Martin, how are you like so comfortable, like this is your first video, you're just comfortable like recording in front of people. Like, dude, if you're gonna be like a car vlogger guy, whatever, you gotta be fucking comfortable recording. Like, you really have to. That's like the key. Like, when I looked up YouTube videos of like how to be a good car vlogger, that's like the way you gotta have confidence, man. Straight confidence. We're coming up on a very scenic spot right now. It's like really popular. You see it everywhere on like OC posts and stuff. Like a lot of car guys go through this specific area. So this is the spot right here. Like you'll see a lot of cinematic shots OC with car guys going through here. They usually start either going down or they come up. But like when the sunset, like right now obviously there's no sunset, so because it's freaking overcast, but when it's sunset, like pink skies, this is like the perfect, like Forza Horizon perfect shot to get right here. Just come down here, come up, and just have like a car freaking filming you, dude. Perfect. If you're also coming down PCH here, I highly recommend Shake Shack. It's also a really good, popular spot. Food's great. It is pricey, but it is great. It's worth it. This is the only bad thing about it, is like sometimes the line goes all the way out here and there's just so many people. And then sometimes you have to wait for like an hour or two just to get some food. Another popular road right here. Newport Coast, Pelican Hill. A lot of videos shot through here too. Man, it literally does not get better than this. Like, this is why I tell you, this is my therapy. Like, right now I'm obviously not blasting music because I'm doing this video, but blasting my music, nothing else but the road and me, midnight, like night drive. Because usually when I do these drives, they're mostly at nighttime, like midnight. Yeah, man, nothing beats this. If you're a car guy, like, you will understand that like driving is like the best therapy. But it's different for everybody. It's different. We're coming up to Corona del Mar area. More down is like Balboa Island and all that, but I'm not gonna go all the way down. Like I said, I'm gonna turn right where Fashion Island is back here. I think once I turn there too, I'm gonna end the video there. But I'll let you guys enjoy this little scenery of Corona del Mar before I get to the ending over there.